Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Tribute Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks. Tis me, Bergie. Currently it's 9:23. Currently it's 6:35 p.m. on November 23rd, 2019. We sold out the 1920 Upper Deck Artifacts 2-box break. Pick your teams, number 1. So it's sold out. We got 3 boxes here. So this was actually from Pick Your Team number 8 that we consolidated down and we made it into this break here. So I'm going to go over to random.org, and these are customers. The team that is in violet, that is Dave N's team. He had them from the beginning. He bought the team originally when it was an 8-box break. So he had Colorado all the time. So I'm just going to go over here. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go over here, pull this over to here, take these out. So you see it's blank. We'll go like that. We're going to grab everybody's names. Copy that. Copy that, Roger. Come over to the break site real quick. We're going to pop your names in over here like this. And we're going to go like that. And there they are. And then I'm going to come back over here to the other side of the street. And I'm going to grab this here. And we'll put the names right here. Like this. Like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to roll for 2 of these boxes. So it's a 2-box break. PYT. So I got a 4-sided dice. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. So 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to take my old hand here and just shake it around and just give it a little twirl, and down it goes, and it's a 4. Of course it's going to be 4 because we don't have 4. We only have boxes 1, 2, and 3. That's why I was doing it this way. They're already numbered. And it's a 4 again. And it's a 3. So box 3. Box 4, don't have. This is as bad as box 3. This is as bad as random.org. Box 2. We got a 2. Man, I could run random. 1-box break will be for a 1-box break that will be in the store, and it'll be a random teams box break. So box 1. So box 2 and 3. So this is off the one side that we've done before. So your teams are on the bottom. Name is on the top. No randomization of anything. So we're going to do box 2 first. So good luck, gentlemen, ladies. Here we go. Thanks for selling out the break. Took us all day to get these 2 boxes done, but we did it. Joe S. has got Last Spot Mojo in there. So I'm not going to run through your guys' names because y'all kind of know what you got because we sold it out in the last hour and a half, 2 hours. So I'm going to take open the box. Bam, bam, bam. Send your base cards to... Ooh, this has got a big one in it. This one's got a big fat relic in it or something. So we'll just put that down like that. Ooh, this one's got a big fat relic into it too. Oh wait, they're decoys. And 1 more pack to go. And then we'll move the camera down. Got some green here. Looks like we got a green. We might have a redemption card. So let's go see what we got. Okay, hold on. I just noticed my should be at 35. Okay, there we go. All right. Good luck. Yeah, I seen it. Mark Stone. Silverberg. There's our first hit. Tyler Seguin. Dallas Stars. Diego T, congratulations. 165 out of 299. Blank. Next one will go to the blank. Galchenyuk. Patrick oh, look at there. Los Angeles Kings. Bam. Emerald rookie redemption. LA Kings. Nice. Congratulations going out to Joe S. There you go, Joe. Should I scratch it off here live so everybody can see the number? You fool. Oh my. I got to go turn my fans on. I'll be right back. It's 102 degrees in here. I think she fell asleep and passed out behind me. So if anybody watches this video, and you'll know what I'm talking about. Might get a little noisy in here. But in my shop, I have a renter that lives behind me, and she controls the thermostat. So it's at 100 degrees right now. Emerald. I'm glad I don't pay the heat bill here. Seth Jones. Anderson. Zucker. And a purple with a blank. 50 out of 99. San Jose Sharks. Just wanted to put my fingers all over it. Ha 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 ha. San Jose Sharks. Evander Kane. An Aram card. That's numbered. So, nice hit. I believe these go into 130s. Yep, that's what I thought. So, San Jose Sharks are on the board. One of the last teams to go. Dave N. Tatar. There's a red. Dylan Larkin. Detroit. 122 out of 399. Congratulations. Goes out to Detroit. Red Wings. Blank. Blank, blank. Next stack. Good luck. Here we go. Shezhnikov. Radloff. Whoa! Look at that. Andrew Ladd on the back. And check that jersey card out. Purple, man. Violet. 17 of 25. Alexander Tuch with the Vegas Golden Knights. Huge thick card. Serious thick patch. It's got like black, gold, and then like some dots. Like part of the jersey. That's way sick looking. Wow. Vegas. Who had Vegas? Let me move my mouse over here so I can scroll down. Joe S. with the Knights. And let me think about that. That is this. It's actually the other size, but I don't have any. Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go. Congratulations, little Alex Tuch. Jersey, dual jersey card, 17 to 25. Very nice. Love this artifact stuff. So good looking. Next hit, Evgeny Malkin with a blank on the back. 623 out of 699. That's a high series one for the Penguins. Come on, Bergie. It's late. Been doing this for 9 hours now. Haven't broken till just now, though. Pittsburgh. Been sitting in this chair too much. O'Reilly. Knutson. Ooh, 3 out of 45. Very nice. Got a blue. A water crystal blue. Oh, that's the wrong one. Montreal Canadiens, Max Domi. Congratulations. Pittsburgh Penguins was Joe S., by the way. Montreal Canadiens is Gary M. There you go, Gary. Congratulations. Got yourself a little Max Domi. Came in today and picked up the Canadiens. 3 out of 45. Nice hit, man. Congrats. All right, so let's see what's the last hit here. Needle Rider. The Needle. Pierre-Luc Dubois. Barkov, and we have ourselves an Artifacts jersey year 1, Tage Thompson for the St. Louis Blues. The Blues. Joe S. Double spot mojo, by the way. Last team on the board. Last team sitting there. Nobody wanted to take him. Joe came in and said, all right, I'll take him. There you go, Joe. Congratulations. Blank. And Bo Hovart just laying around having out a day. So that was the first box. Let's get to the second box. This box here, I'm going to break open each pack. We'll look at the cards and we'll put them down and we'll do it from there. So, like I used to do it. Like I used to be. So we're going to pull out the first pack and see what the hit is. Pull from the back, put to the front. Teravainen, Hall, Giroux, and Anze Kopitar with a blank on the back end. 51 out of 599. That's a higher print run for Kopitar. LA Kings, Joe S. Next pack. Love the way these feel. They got, because they got the big blanks or they got a big hit in them. You know what I mean? So I'll pull from the back. Patrice Bergeron, Shen, Erickson, and we got a Dallas Stars with a blank rookie redemption card. So basically, Dallas Stars, red 190. Congratulations to the Dallas Stars. You got yourself your rookie, Diego T. Coming today. Bam. There you go, Diego. Next pack. Oh, that card's bent. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that sucker. Let's just throw him out. He's bent. He's worthless. Blank on the back end. Darnell Nurse. And there is our autograph. It's not bent, at least. No? Not bent. LA Kings. Carl Grundstrom. Grundstrom. Look at that teeny little signature. Look at that. He is a very private man. Dominant, but very private. Men with big stick. 88 out of 99. I'm just saying, man. Or he was just tired of signing his name. Oh, damn. LA Kings. Joe S. Ironically, some of the teams that sat here again in the box, sat in the break, are gonna, they cooked long enough and they're gonna start popping out. So people are gonna be like, oh, boom, oh, boom. Dubnyk, Strome, Henrique, and Mike Hoffman with a blank on the back end. Mike Hoffman for the Florida Panthers. 203 out of 299. Got a half a stack left, folks. Half a stack left. Florida. Derek S. There you go. Derek came in today. He's like, hey, I got a hit finally. There you go, man. Congrats. Gallagher. Daughtery. Boom! Quinn Hughes, Vancouver Canucks. Wow, dude. Bam. Told you I'd hit something big. Knew it was in here. 1 out of 199. Do you see that? That's number 1 out of 199. Dual relic artifacts. Quinn Hughes for the Vancouver Canucks. That's going to Gary M. Came in today and bought the Vancouver Canucks on a whim. And bam. No. Congratulations. Little Quinn Hughes dual relic. 1 out of 199. Gary M. Most of this break was sold out today, so. We got a red artifact, James Neal, and we got Liber Hajik, and a blank on the back with a red parallel. Hajik. It's 97 out of 399. New York Rangers. Who had bought the Rangers originally? Joe S. Hajik. There you go, Joe. Detroit on the back end with a little Chris Letang. Antocino, Andres Antocino, and Erasmus Dahlin, and a blue, which should be out of 45. 23 out of 45, Matthew Barzal for the New York Islanders. There you go, little Islanders, my mojo. Islanders, Minnesota Wild, Islanders, Chicago Blackhawks. Got one pack left. Did get an Islander hit. So I would have bought the Hawks, the Islanders, and the Wild in all this break. Would have been mine. So New York Islanders, Diego T. There you go, 28 of 45. Another hit for Diego tonight. Last pack, folks. Good luck. Here we go. Flip it around, put it forward. Let's see what we got. Bottom pack, right, left side. All Hornquist, and we got ourselves an NHL Remnants of, bam, Matthew Barzal jersey, New York Islanders. Diego T hits it again. 2 packs back to back. He's got a double. So that's it, folks. That's all she wrote. I want to thank everybody who got in. Thank everybody who bought. Now let's go do those 5-box breaks tomorrow, because it's 6:52 and I'm out. Peace out. God bless. Thanks for watching. We had one bent card right there, the base card. That's really bent hard. Look at that thing. That's like that's like an ear, man. That is like an ear. So peace out. God bless America. God bless you, and thanks for watching. Peace.